Well, I'm in my apartment here in Aveiro, the one I'm renting for a couple days. It's a nice little apartment. Shower, toilet, bedroom here. It's it's a studio apartment. Washing machine, little table, cooktop, all the necessities you pretty much need. A little sitting area here. Another twin bed over here. A couple of chairs in this place, and oh, there's a TV. The view's not anything to get excited about, but it is fairly close to everything here. The ocean's about 10 kilometers that way. And back this way, there's the train station. So you're about 500 meters from the train station that way. You can see the street down there. They're doing construction. Kind of hard to see. There used to be a two-way road here, but the construction, they're putting new sidewalks in and everything. It's one of my favorite little towns here in Portugal. I'll do some video down along the canals here, because Aveiro is also known as the Venice of Portugal. Aveiro is also known for, other than just the canals, it's known for a lot of the blue tiles you see in Portugal. A lot of these houses are covered in these blue tiles, blue and white tiles. A lot of mosaics, a lot of little cafes and side streets. It's a really nice town. A lot of beautiful constructions, also with the blue tiles on it. There's another house with blue tiles. Street full of cafes here. When we were here in 2018 visiting, we stayed in that kind of modern looking building just to the right, the blue and yellow building there. There was this cafe here. There was a good restaurant down there where we ate. You see there's quite a few places to eat around here. Very nice old town. And you can see the boat. I can't remember the name, but I'll put it in the video what it is. But they take you up and down the canals here. This was a fish market here at one point. I think it's still partially a fish market here, but there's a restaurant in the front part now. Another little square here with more cafes over there. I found this building here interesting when we were here before. It's a little cafe or something. Down this little street, there's an Irish pub here. A couple more restaurants. One of these streets has a really nice mural on the wall, and it's more of an alley than a street. So I'll see if I can find it. I think it's a few roads over to the left where we are now. We'll walk over the canal and take a look there. It's more of those blue and white tiles and the blue and white architecture on those buildings over there. It really looks nice. You got a lot of construction going on here, so it's hard to get into some of the areas I usually walk in. Some nice old buildings here. Okay, I found the street. So if you're ever in town here, that's the name of the street right there. And here's the mural. As you can see, this is a very small little alley, but it's located, there's a traffic circle here right on top of the canal, so it's real close to there. Over there you can see some of the different buildings along the canals here. Now, it doesn't have as many canals as Venice, of course, but there's a couple here that you can take boat trips on. I'm walking along the canals here. This is one of the ones they take you on the boat trip. There's a shopping mall over there called the Forum. There's a kid with a basketball behind me. It's a very walkable city. A few hills, but not too terribly bad. Staying a couple, well, maybe a block to the left of where we are right now. The little building with the green canopy on it, I guess you'd call it. They rent bicycles for free. You just have to give them an ID and they'll hold it. Bring the bike back, you get your ID. We were here in 2018, my wife and kids. rented bikes and rode around town for a little while. Saw their train station, the old one. They were remodeling when I was here last time, so it didn't look as nice as it does now. The new station is over here, the more modern looking one.